Welcome, stargazers, to a cosmic celebration. Today, we're thrilled to announce the TelescopeAdvisor Awards 2025, your guide to the best telescopes of the year. Whether you're a beginner dreaming of the moon's craters or an astrophotographer chasing stunning nebulae, these award winners will light up your nights. Let's dive into the stars. You don't need to be a professional astronomer to explore the cosmos. Our friends at TelescopeAdvisor.com have spent months testing dozens of scopes under real night skies, and with votes from stargazers like you, they've crowned 2025's cosmic champions. Ready to meet the winners? First up, the best telescope for beginners, the Celestron StarSense Explorer DX 130AZ. This 130mm reflector delivers stunning views of the moon's craters and Jupiter's swirling bands. Its StarSense app guides you to targets using your smartphone. No star charts needed. At under $500, it's the perfect pick for anyone just starting their cosmic journey. Next, for those on a budget, the best budget telescope, the Celestron PowerSeeker 127 EQ. For under $200, its 127mm aperture reveals Saturn's rings and faint star clusters like the Orion Nebula. With an equatorial mount to track the stars, it's a steal among 2025's best telescopes, proving you don't need a big budget to see the stars. For astrophotographers dreaming of capturing the cosmos, the best for astrophotography goes to the Celestron NexStar Evolution 8. Its 8-inch optics and precise go-to-mount make it a dream for photographing nebulae and planets. Plus, Wi-Fi control lets you run it from your phone. It's a premium pick for cosmic creators. And the People's Choice Award, voted by stargazers like you, goes to the Celestron Astromaster 114 EQ. This 114mm reflector, priced under $300, offers crisp views of planets and deep sky targets. It's a community favorite that proves the best telescopes don't have to break the bank. That's just the start. The TelescopeAdvisor Awards 2025 feature 30 incredible scopes, 10 winners, and 20 honorable mentions, covering deep sky viewing, kid-friendly designs, and portable picks for your next dark sky adventure. Not sure which one's right for you? TelescopeAdvisor.com has a full telescope buying guide to help you choose, whether you're a beginner, a budget shopper, or a seasoned astrophotographer. 2025 is packed with cosmic events these scopes are perfect for. Catch the Perseid meteor shower on August 12th and 13th, the Great Planet Parade with Venus, Jupiter, and more, or the solar eclipse on March 29th. Want tips for the planet parade? Check out TelescopeAdvisor's guide at TelescopeAdvisor.com. The universe is calling, and the TelescopeAdvisor Awards 2025 are your launchpad. Head to TelescopeAdvisor.com to explore all 30 award winners, find the best telescope for your cosmic journey, and start stargazing.